How to fix TikTok not showing comments problem. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a problem of not showing comments on your TikTok. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your TikTok. There is two ways to see comments. First thing, click on the icon comment on the video and scroll over and you will see comments. The second is go to your inbox and click on all activity and click on comment, and they're gonna show up a list of all people who comment on your videos. If comments doesn't work like this, all you need to do is click on profile and click on those three bonds up there, click on setting and privacy and scroll down, click on free up space and clear your cache. And if this is still doesn't work, you should clear cache from your phone. Go to cleaner and click on clean. I have already cleaned everything. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.